People who follow Jason Hartman's Creating Wealth show know how much he likes markets with good affordability and attractive cash flows. He frequently cautions investors to avoid bubble markets, but also realizes the opportunity present when the bubbles deflate and values return to attractive levels. Phoenix is back on the radar screen as an attractive investment because of this phenomenon, and may create tremendous wealth for people who take advantage of the opportunity. Phoenix is the capital and largest city of the U.S. state of Arizona, as well as the fifth most populous city in the United States. Phoenix is home to 1,567,924 residents, and is the anchor of the Phoenix metropolitan area, also known as the Valley of the Sun, the 12th largest metro area by population in the United States, with 4,281,899 residents. In addition, Phoenix is the county seat of Maricopa County, and is one of the largest cities in the United States by land area.
The military has a significant presence in Phoenix, with Luke Air Force Base located in the western suburbs. At its height in the 1940s, the Phoenix area had 3 military bases: Luke Field, still in use, Falcon Field, and Williams Air Force Base, now Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport, with numerous auxiliary airfields located throughout the region.
Phoenix is on a growth trajectory that is expected to persist long beyond the time when the current credit crisis is a distant memory. With an attractive environment for technology, business expansion, entrepreneurs, and corporate recruiting, Phoenix is poised for a long run of growth in the coming years.
The real estate market in Phoenix has experienced some recent volatility, but exhibits many signs of returning to a balanced equilibrium. This balance frequently results in 28,000 to 32,000 homes on the market at any given time. This stands in stark contrast to the average of 7,000 homes on the market during 2005, when the market was skyrocketing, and the peak of 59,000 in 2007, when the market was saturated.
The real estate market in Phoenix is currently in the process of returning to a balanced equilibrium. There are many who have been scared off by the volatility of recent years, but the Platinum team has been keeping a close eye on Phoenix to determine when prices will adjust back to a point where investment becomes attractive again. For more information, contact an investment counselor at jasonhartman.com.
Analysis of the monthly median sales prices for Phoenix show the rapid price spike and decline of recent years, and also shows some very encouraging signs for prudent investors. From 2001 through 2003, Phoenix was exhibiting signs of a relatively normal market that suddenly began appreciating like crazy in 2004. This price inflation proved unsustainable as prices eventually plummeted down to below 2001 levels in the current market. This may represent an opportunity for prudent investors, since the fundamental economics of the Phoenix area remain attractive for long-term growth, and the current price levels appear to be depressed by historical standards. It may not be reasonable to expect another bubble boom, but it is likely that prices will regress back toward a reasonable long-term growth trajectory.
Another way of looking at the recent price fluctuations is to analyze the monthly average price per square foot. This shows an even more stark contrast than the median sale prices, since the average cost per square foot is currently well below 2001 levels. This indicates that the average house size has increased over the last 8 years, and that current prices are severely depressed. This may prove to be a boon of opportunity for astute investors who recognize this phenomenon and act accordingly.
The recent turbulence has hit the Phoenix market especially hard. The rapid price spikes and subsequent crash have left many people upside down in their home loans, distressed sellers and foreclosures becoming a large portion of total sales. This is a very disheartening trend for current property owners, but presents a compelling opportunity for investors. The tremendous share of property listings owned by banks has severely depressed prices to a point that it is likely to be well below the long-term equilibrium. By selecting areas with attractive cash flow to cover your costs, there could be very attractive gains available to investors that take advantage of this opportunity and act. If you are interested in the investment opportunities available with the Phoenix market, contact your investment counselor for a one-on-one consultation. In addition to the investment properties, ask your counselor about our coaching programs, where they will work alongside you to develop a holistic strategy that merges attractive investments, solid financial planning, exceptional education, and a strong focus on personal values to help you achieve your goals now and into the future. We are ready to help you realize the success that you have dreamed of. Are you ready to take the next step?